Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. The topic is building emergency funds presented by Fedlu Ready. Ever feel like life throws you a financial curveball when you least expect it? 1 minute everything's fine and the next your car breaks down or you have a surprise medical bill. That's where an emergency fund comes in. It's your financial safety net, a stash of cash set aside just for those unexpected urgent expenses. Think of it as a buffer between you and debt when life happens. It's not for a planned vacation or a new phone. It's strictly for genuine emergencies. So the big question is, how much do you actually need? A good rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months worth of essential living expenses saved up. To figure out your number, you need to track your essentials. I'm talking about the absolute must-pays: rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance. This isn't about your Netflix subscription or daily coffee run. It's about what you need to survive. Add up these core costs for 1 month, then multiply that by 3 to 6. That's your goal. It might sound like a huge number right now, but don't worry, we're going to break it down. Trying to save 3 to 6 months of expenses all at once can feel overwhelming, so let's start smaller. Your first goal is to build a mini fund. Aim for a more achievable amount, like $500 or $1,000. This initial fund can cover smaller emergencies and give you a huge psychological boost. It shows you that you can do this. The key is to keep this money separate from your regular checking account. Open a high-yield savings account specifically for your emergency fund. This makes it less tempting to dip into for non-emergencies and lets your money grow a little faster thanks to a better interest rate. Out of sight, out of mind. The point is to make saving effortless and consistent. You won't miss the money if you never see it. To find that extra cash, look for one small expense you can cut. Maybe it's packing your lunch a few times a week instead of buying it, or canceling a subscription you don't use. Small changes add up to big savings over time. Another great way to accelerate your savings is to use unexpected money. Got a tax refund? A bonus from work? A birthday check from grandma? Instead of splurging, put that windfall straight into your emergency fund. It's a fantastic way to make a big jump toward your goal without impacting your regular budget. And here's the most important rule. Once the money is in your emergency fund, don't touch it. Unless it's a true emergency, that money is off limits. Resisting the urge to use it for a sale or a weekend trip is crucial for your long-term financial security. Finally, your financial situation isn't static, and neither is your emergency fund. Make it a habit to review your savings and your goal every 6 months or at least once a year. Did you get a raise? Have your essential expenses gone up? Adjust your savings plan accordingly. Maybe you can increase your automatic deposits or set a higher overall goal. Building an emergency fund is a journey, not a destination. It's about creating a habit of saving that gives you peace of mind and financial freedom. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.